Alright Taylor, my name's Adrian, and the iPhone thing I don't think was going to work because my guy didn't have like a brand new hot iPhone. So I'm just going to shoot a little video and send this to you, see if that works. Okay? This is the truck, and I'm going to give you, let me shut this door here, give you a quick view of this. Hopefully the lighting's not real bad. You can see, like you said, this is the LS model. Nice paint. Get over here where there's not that sun glaring down on you. Wheels. Plenty of rubber on the tires. Plenty. Running boards. 4-door. You got the cap. You do have the tow package on this one. And you know a lot about these trucks that you're looking at. So maybe all this stuff I'm showing you is stuff that you're expecting to see already. The inside of the vehicle was something that was very important to you, so this is the condition of the interior. Pretty clean. We actually have all the floor mats for this one as well, which is nice because I sell them with what I get them with. Door panels aren't all scratched up or abused or anything. They're all in pretty good shape. Your speakers there, your child safety locks. Back of the headrest there. Carpet's in good shape. No tears, no worn spots. And then 20-something thousand miles, 27,900. Jump in here, we'll look at the door panel. Got all your controls there for your exterior mirrors, door locks, window locks, molded cup holders into the doors, coming into the cab. So you got your steering wheel controls there. In here, you got your towing, your tow haul button on the end of your shifter there. See if maybe you can catch a glimpse of the mileage there. See if I can shade some of this sun. There you go. It's a little low on fuel, but I'll fill it up for you if you make the road trip. Some of your little information center controls there. This is the stainless steel silver I was talking about. All your controls there. You got your low traction control. You have individual AC for either side of the compartment. Your reset button, CD player. All your station controls here. Little information button. You have your directional on the mirror. Hey, there's me again. Your little OnStar buttons there, as well. Your power. You have your passenger airbag monitoring light. Show you the passenger seat. Good shape. Again, not a smoker's vehicle. You can just tell. It's a really clean truck. Adjustable seat belts, headliner's in really good shape. I know it's probably a little boring video, but everything seems to be right where it belongs.